for 1,000 more. All along I believe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bunso girly. Panatilihin mong laging masarap and wish you all the best. I love you. O ano girly, matapang ka. Ayan. Happy birthday pala sa iyo, Bunso kong masarap, Bunso kong pretty. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. And wish you all the best, Bunso. I love you, Bunso. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Bunso. God bless. And I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Bunso. Happy birthday. Yan. Kasi atay na mo to. Yan. Nakita mo na yung mahiwagang lunal ko. Nahihiyak. Wala akong ngipin. Well, anyway, sana maging masaya ka palagi at sana yung mga pangarap mo matupad mo na. And then, sana mabuntis ka pag umuwi ka, ha? Magpakasaya ka sa buhay mo, and then, yun lang. Maging masaya ka forever. Love you.
Hi, Manzo. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best today. And be good health always and be strong as a woman. And thank you for your part of this birthday celebration. Have a good day and happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Bunso. More birthday to come. Wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Palagi kang mag-pray, nagabayan ka lagi ni God. Yun lang. So, happy birthday and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Nakjang. Greetings from Tata Helios. More birthday to come. Stay pretty, stay sexy, and roolala. Alright.
Hello to everyone. I just want to greet one of our family dyan sa Matibay na si Jam, isa sa tinatawag nating bunso. Okay? I'm wishing you all the best. Stay humble and pretty. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Happy birthday again para sa'yo. Peace. Pangit. Ikaw tatahi-tahimik ka lang pero birthday mo pala ngayon Well, kidding aside, happy birthday nga pala para sa'yo, pangit. And sana maging happy ka ngayong kaarawan mo. At stay humble and sweet, okay? At saka sana maging masaya ka pa sa susunod ng mga kaarawan na darating. Yun. Happy birthday nga pala ulit para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, girlie. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Happy oink oink, girlie, tabachoy. Yeah. Oink oink na this.
Happy birthday, baby Mahjong ko. God bless, good health palagi, at saka mahalin din yung sarili, ha? Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bunso. Ingat ka lagi dyan sa work. And good health. More birthdays to come. Sorry, Bunso. I am so busy. Love ya.
Happy birthday po, pinangina mo. Happy birthday.
Yun, happy birthday nga pala dyan si Pretty Jam yun. This celebrate. Sana pagpatuloy mo pa rin yung magiging mabuting tao. Ay.
Happy birthday, Bunso! More birthdays to come sa'yo. Tapos, stay beautiful and keep safe. Sana maging successful ka sa career mo, sa buhay mo, sa love life mo. Yan. Enjoy life, baby. Bunso, love you.
Happy birthday, girlie. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And enjoy your birthday today. Happy birthday. And more blessings. Stay who you are. Happy birthday, Carly.
Hi, Bonso. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Love ni Ate Yarn. Sorry na. Love.